furious right now. I just got off the phone with T-Mobile and they tried to give me the runaround. For less than a month now, I purchased the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. I thought I waited long enough for them to work out most of the bugs. But like I said, I had this phone for less than a month, and this is what happened. As you can see, there's some artifacting up here. For how much this phone costs, I ain't accepting nothing less than perfection. I called T-Mobile. They attempted to give me the workaround, talking about I had to pay for a replacement. I did get a bit upset. I'm like, I'm not paying for a manufacturer's defect. They should have got the shit right in the first place. So after a bit of a run around, they agreed to replace it for free. So I should receive it in 2 days.